beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogwebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this coconut chips that will leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so I'll be using 2 coconuts and I found this method so helpful. You see this hack, it will help you break your coconut, remove it very easily. Okay, before now, if I want to do anything with coconut, my hubby has to be around. Okay, but with this hack I can do everything by myself. So I went ahead to break it. I peeled the back. You can decide to leave the back if you want. So next, after peeling the back, I washed it properly and I'm going ahead to grate it. So I'll be using this side. You can use any side you want. It depends on the size you want. Okay, so I went ahead to chop some with my knife and I grated some. Next, in my pan I'll be adding my coconut water and I went ahead to add in a little bit of sugar and I'll stir everything together till the sugar dissolves completely. Next, I'll add in my grated coconut. Okay, what I want to do here is I'll be doing this other grated one, sugar, and the other chopped one, salt. Okay, so any one you want, go for it. The both was so amazing. It depends on what you want. So I'm going to stir this, and this is the one with salt. I'll go ahead to add my coconut water. I'll add in salt, stir everything together to combine nicely, and I'll go ahead to add in the chopped one. I needed to try this out if I love it, and of a truth the taste was okay. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and your loved ones, and you will not regret it here. So I'll be doing this on a low heat to avoid it from burning. So I'm going to stir this until I am satisfied with it. So I'll go ahead to stir, and I'm doing the both at the same time, so I almost got it burnt. So give this a try and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.